Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn some basic tags of HTML. I have arranged these tags alphabet-wise, which makes it easier for you to memorize its use. So let's start. So the first tag we are going to learn is anchor tag. It defines a hyperlink. That means you can use both as well as text as well as image as a link or hyperlink. Next one is body tag. It defines the document of a body. That means from here the body of the web page will start. Next is BR. It defines a single line break. B tag, that means if you want to make your text bold, then you can use this tag. Caption, it defines the table caption, or you can say the heading of the table. Col, that means column, it specifies the column properties for each column. DD, that means it defines a description or value of a term in a description list. Div, that means it defines a section in a document. H1 to H6, it defines the HTML heading size, that means smaller to greater. Form, it defines an HTML form for user input. You can use the attributes for form. Head, it contains information for the document. HR tag, it defines a horizontal line in the content. That means if you want to put a horizontal line in your web page, you can use HR tag. HTML, it defines the root of an HTML document. That means it defines the web page that it is an HTML document. IMG or image tag, it defines an image in the web page. You have to use the attribute, that means you have to use the location of the image with the image tag as attribute. Input, it defines an input control. The input control you can use the checkbox, radio buttons, drop down list with as an attribute of input tag. Label, it defines a label for an input element. Mark, it defines marked or highlighted text. OL, it defines an ordered list. Option, it defines an option in a drop-down list. P tag, or you can say paragraph tag, it defines a paragraph. Select, it defines a drop-down list. Small, it defines smaller text. Style, it defines style information for a document. Sub means it defines subscripted text. SUP, that means is defined the superscripted text. Table, it defines a table. You have to use attribute of it. TD, it defines the cell in a table. That means how many cells you want to create. TH, it defines the header cell in a table. Time, it defines a specific time, or you can say date or time in the HTML web page. Next is title. It defines the title for a document. It is used inside the head tag. TR, it defines a row in a table. U, it defines the underlined text. That means if you want to put underline in any text, you can use this tag. UL, it defines an unordered list. So that's all. I hope you have understand all the tags of HTML. So use it for creating your own web page. Till then, thank you.